guys, welcome to another video. Here I have another project for myself. It is the middle of this whole coronavirus pandemic quarantine rubbish and I'm bored. I've got no work, no college, and I'm bored, so I've been buying lots of stuff recently to keep me busy. But yeah, in here should be something quite old. I mean, well, I think it should be 70s, this machine. I've not really had much experience with these before. I don't think I've ever seen them actually in person, but I've always wanted one. These older type machines, and yes it is the machine I've been waiting for. So here it is. It is an old Electrolux. It is a 302 cylinder. So yeah, I quite like these old cylinders. I think they're quite cool. So yeah, here we go. Here it is. I've been wanting something like this for a while. It isn't the best example. It needs a good clean up, and I think the grill on the back is, yeah, the grill on the back's broken in multiple places. If you can get it off. Now, just going how the it comes off like that. We've got the blower port in there, and then that just goes back on. The cable's nice on it. It's like quite a rubbery type flex on this. Quite short, but I mean, it'll do a job. It's got one of these ones, the sliders on the underneath. They'll come up nicely. I've got a bench polisher now, so these will go on the bench polisher. Open it up. I mean, it's quite dirty inside. It's missing, there's supposed to be a thing that goes in here for the bag. I think there's meant to be an internal bag in here as well, but knowing me, I can probably modify something in there, put a HEPA flow in it or something. But yeah, it's an all metal body cleaner with a vinyl finish. So what I'm going to do, I'm quickly plug it in, not run it for long because of the suppressors and stuff on these oldies. See what it runs like. It doesn't have no tools, but I've got a couple of spares that will fit this. So we'll plug it in. Nope, perhaps it's that one. So here we go. Yeah, it runs quite rough, to be fair. I could do with some work, but you know, that's why I brought it to do up for the collection. Yeah, it's quite a nice little machine. So apparently it's an early one as well with this sticker here. Yeah, I don't know what year it's from. You could date Electrolux's. It is serial number 547, so I'm estimating 47th week of 1975. So this will go nicely with my 502 actually. And it is a model Z302 and it is 650 watts. But yeah, it's going to be a project, I suppose, for me. Nice little cylinder machine. Got a couple of Electrolux cylinders now. I mean, this is a nice cleaner. This is the 350E. What is this? This is, how many watts is this one? This is 1000 watts, so probably going to be a bit more powerful than that. But yeah, should be a nice project for me to do. Shouldn't take too long. But you know, yeah, there we go. There is my vintage Electrolux 302. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.